What if I told you Samsung completely upgraded the adaptive clock in One UI 9, and most people haven't noticed it yet? This new adaptive clock design, with a more modern, bold font. Let's see how to apply new adaptive clock style on Samsung One UI 9.0 beta. The clock dynamically changes its appearance based on the wallpaper instead of remaining a fixed style. Lock your Samsung One UI 9 device and long press on the blank space. Unlock your Galaxy device. Tap on Lock Screen Clock Style. Samsung already use adaptive clock style. Tap on the first clock style, which is the new adaptive clock style. Adding the smarter depth effect, which the clock can intelligently position itself behind or around elements in the wallpaper. This reduces overlap with the main subject and makes the lock screen feel more immersive. Adjust the clock font and clock color. Tap Done in the top right corner to save it. What do you think about the new adaptive clock? Comment below and follow for the latest One UI 9 tips and tricks.